What's going on, friends? Let me ask you straight right away. Are you also tired of endlessly scrolling through Google and YouTube searching for decent predictors for mines, only to find out that none of them actually work? And I'm being honest with you right now, I was almost ready to give up. For the last 6 months I've been trying to study this topic very seriously. Every single day I'm looking for new information, and literally yesterday guys, I just found a new tool that I believe can actually change the rules of the game. So if you, just like me, have been looking for a proper and working predictor for mines, I highly recommend you watch this video from very beginning to the end, because I'm going to show you a tool that left me genuinely shocked by how well it works. I strongly advise you to watch this video very careful, because there are certain important steps without which nothing will work. So let me start testing this tool live right now. Alright, and today I'll be testing everything in live, so I'll show you literally step by step so you can understand how all it works. And by the way, all my videos is strictly for educational entertainment purpose only. I'm not encouraging anyone to copy what I'm doing here. And this tool works with a specific game. The game is currently holding the leading position on the top apps, and I will show you how all the processes are done step by step and tested here live. And there are certain basic requirements. Let me just quickly complete this step. It literally takes 1 minute. It's not a big deal for me, so I'm gonna grab that information, and all I just need is my account. Alright, and here I will do it simply steps like that, and choose here the amount like that. It's gonna be nice for test today. Alright, so all I just need to wait the update here and wait the process. Yeah, it started, that's nice, so I just literally wait a few seconds more to see the notification came. That means everything approved. Yeah, as you see everything done. So I'm gonna literally back to the game and try to close it and reopen it right away. Okay, and let's see here. Let me just wait a few seconds here. So let's see. Yeah, everything has already updated here. Now I'll just continue following the settings, guys, and well, I just need to choose it here, and the loading process has started. That's really nice. Now comes the most interesting moment of this test, because everything that happened next is what really matters, guys. Okay, so I'm watching it live, and now I'm gonna follow the pattern what I see on the screen here. So as I understand, 2 on the bottom right now, and 1 on the top. Okay, and 2 in the middle here and there. So I'm gonna check. Yeah, that was clean, guys. That was really clean. Okay, but let's keep going, guys. I want to see how it all reacts and whether it can work multiple times in a row. So I'm gonna continue this. Okay, so it's not worked. Let me just press it one more time. Okay, and yeah, that's appears. That's really nice. Okay, I got it. So I'm just gonna follow this 3 on the here and 2 on the top line like that. So quick check, and yep, clear once again, guys. Alright, so at this moment I want to send everything back, because I'm gonna try to not make this video too long. So let me quickly choose the parameters here. Okay, this is what I need just like now, and I'm going back to my account. I'm gonna find the information where, so I'm gonna just copy and go back to return to game and paste it directly in this field and just press confirm. Alright, the naughty came in. As you can see, everything reacts very fast, guys, and that's really great, guys. Alright. So I'm gonna close the game, and you can see, by the way, the name of this screen, the name of the tool on the screen right now, so you can pause the video if you need to find it by its name. So without wasting any time, let me go back and check whether it actually works, and I'm really curious to see how fast it reacts. And yeah, look at that, guys, look at that. This is what I mean, guys. It's already here. That's a really interesting tool, guys. Yeah, in just 3-4 minutes of this video, I've just tested a very interesting tool that genuinely impressed me once again. So yeah, if you like this video same as me, drop your like, share this information with your friends, sub to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in another one.